time, you are free to drag out those larger electronics and ship snow for takeoff. This aircraft is Wi-Fi enabled. If you have electronic devices capable of Wi-Fi, simply log on to the internet